Hello my people, in this video we will see how to invest in SIP 500 at Wells Fargo. The first and the most important pass is going to search this in Google, and next we go to the AI mode. To invest in the SIP 500 at Wells Fargo, you need to open a brokerage account and then push an SIP 500 tracking investment product such as a mutual fund or exchange trade fund. Investment method. First, do it yourself investing. Wall Street. Open an only Wall Street brokerage account to manage your own investment. You can then use the platform to buy SIP 500 ETFs or mutual funds. Wells Fargo stock fractions feature events allow you to buy fractional shares of ETFs with as little as $10. Work with a financial advisor for personalized guidance. You can work with a Wells Fargo advisor, financial professional. They can help you select switchable SIP 500 related funds and integrate them into a comprehensive financial plan. Automated investing. Wells Fargo also offers automatic investing option with guidance for an easy and flexible approach. SIP 500 products at Wells Fargo, you can gain exposure to the SIP 500 index through specific funds offered by Wells Fargo platforms. Mutual funds, the Osprey Index Fund, Class I, WIFIOX are Osprey Index Funds, Class Admin WIFIOX seeks to reflect the total return on the SIP 500 index before expense. Another option is the iShares SIP 500 Index Fund, Class K, which has a low expense ratio of 0.03%. You can purchase various SIP 500 ETFs through a WellTrade account. Finally, steps to invest. 1. Open account. Open a WellTrade only a mobile brokerage account on the Wells Fargo website or through the mobile app. Found your account. Easily transfer money for your existing Wells Fargo checking or saving account to your next brokerage account. Pass 3. Search for an SIP 500 fund. Use the available screener and research tool to find a specific SIP 500 mutual fund, for example by symbol WFIPX or an ETF. And finally, pass 4. Place your order. Decide how much you want to invest and place a buy order for the chosen fund or ETF. And well, that's all for today's video. If you like it, and especially if I helped you, please leave a like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Until next time.